We are going to dive into the world of exploratory data analysis, or EDA for short. EDA is the crucial first step in any data analysis process. It's about getting to know our data, understanding its characteristics, and uncovering valuable insights. Why does EDA matter? Well, it's the compass that guides our data journey. It helps us spot patterns, outliers, and potential pitfalls. In essence, EDA empowers us to make informed decisions and build robust models. Have you ever wondered how to make your data tell a story? That's what EDA is all about it. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion, revealing hidden treasures within our datasets. Throughout this presentation, we will cover the key stages of EDA, from data collection and understanding to summary statistics, visualization, and beyond. We will equip you with the tools to unlock the potential of your data. So let's embark on this journey together. Are you ready to let your data